Good. So we're looking at examples on simplifying ratios. The first thing, let's look at whole numbers. You know, it's much easier to work with whole numbers than fractions and decimal, but we'll take it step by step. So let's work with whole numbers first. Whole numbers. Are we ready? So simplify. First one, simplify. Simplify. 12 ratio 20. 12 ratio 20. What would this give us? First of all, as a fraction, what would that give us? 12 over 20. Remember, the number on the left over the number on the right. What's the next thing? Reduce the fraction. Reduce the fraction. Now, how do that? Common factors. We divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. I like to review here. What's the factor? Most of you may ask, what's the factor? A factor is a number that can divide another number without a remainder. For example, 6. Which number can divide 6? Exactly. 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here gives us what? 3. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So when you hear the word common factor, we're looking at a number that can divide both numerator and denominator exactly without a remainder. So what number would that be? 3. 2. Yeah, 2 is also a common factor. So 2 here gives us what? 6. 2 here gives us what? 10. Is there any common factor there? Yes. 2. 2 here gives us 3. 2 here gives us 5. So, our reduced form is 3 over 5. Therefore, ratio, that gives us 3 ratio 5. Are we okay? Good. Let's take number 2 example. Simplify. Simplify. 35 ratio 75. The first thing is what? As a fraction. So that gives us 35 over 75. What's the common factor there? 5. 5 can go. 5 here gives us 7. 5 into 7 is 1. Remain 2. For the purpose of division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 5s can we get from 7? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, remainder 2. So our remainder will print it here. Are you seeing it? So 5 into 25 gives us 5. Therefore, 5 into 75 is 15. Now looking at this, 7 over 15, is there any common factor there? 3 can divide 15, but it can't go into 7. So this is our reduced form. So as a ratio, our answer is 7 ratio 15. Now this is what you do with whole numbers. The next thing we'll be looking at is dealing with fractions.